We are pleased to show you the 2021 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.